Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We got some delicious stuff here today. Today we're having KFC and some homemade cheesy mashed potatoes. This company, it's not company, it's just made by velveta. Velveta mashed potatoes right here in the middle. Nice big honkin' steamy, cheesy mashed potatoes. It's delicious. It comes with this packet of velveta cheese that you just pour over, mix in, and you got cheesy, delicious potatoes. We got some KFC chocolate chip cookies back here for dessert. We got 2 drumsticks and 2 thighs. These thighs are massive. We also got some biscuits. And KFC has French fries. They're actually really good. They're not crunchy, but they taste good. I mean, they're kind of crunchy, but not like McDonald's crispy. This is going to be epically delicious. We got ketchup for the fries. So I'm going to squirt some ketchup on my fries. I'm a ketchup lover when it comes to fries. No ketchup on the burger. Not a ketchup on the burger kind of girl. Mayonnaise, pickles, lettuce, tomato. That's about it. And onion. I got 2 $5 combo meals and they came with a drink. I didn't do anything fancy. I got 2 of the same combo, which is thigh and a drumstick, biscuit. Comes with a side of mashed potatoes, but I swapped it out for fries on both. I knew I was making cheesy mashed potatoes. And each comes with a cookie. So this is a lot of food for like $10 plus tax. I mean, look at this massive tray. It's delicious. So I haven't been having the best week. My car broke down last Friday. Today is Tuesday. Hopefully I got it fixed yesterday. I say hopefully because it's been iffy since I fixed it. But let's start way back at the beginning. And put a little hot sauce on my chicken here. So good. I love KFC chicken. Way better than Popeyes. Anyways, Friday after work, I went and paid one bill and was on the way home. I popped off my drink. I want to set my drink up here so I don't have to keep pulling it in and out of that drink tray. So I'm just moving over everything a little bit. Sorry, guys. Okay. Anyways. This is so good. I love a big fried piece of skin. Okay. I was on my way home. My car seemed fine. Out of nowhere, it just starts billowing smoke out the engine, which scared me. So I happened to be pulling up to a four-way stop as it started doing this. I had to pull over immediately because it was skyrocketing in the heat. And I turned my car off. I think my car's on fire, so I'm scrambling. I'm grabbing everything that I think I need. My phone, wallet, keys, check, I jump out of my car, I pop the hood, I open it. It's steaming, I'm smoking, I'm just like freaking out. Because my phone's off right now, so I don't have a way to call anybody. But I do have AAA. So if I could call AAA, I could get a tow and get myself safely home. I actually broke down on the street that I live on. Literally 2 minutes from my house. So I walk up to this neighborhood house that's literally right next to me. I knock on the door and this young lady answers and I said, "Hey, can you ask your mom if I can use her phone or something so I can call a tow because my car broke down and I don't know if it's on fire, but it's like steaming and stuff, I thought it was on fire at the time. When I further assessed the situation, I realized it was just a radiator hose that had busted and spurted antifreeze all over my car engine, and that's what was creating all the steam. So once it calmed down, I was able to assess the fact that that's what had happened. These people were super nice. They were offering me, drinks. They let me go pee in their house because I was stuck out there waiting for that tow truck for well over 2.5 hours. And I didn't have anything on me to drink and I didn't have a way to go anywhere. I couldn't just leave my car sitting at a four-way stop. I had to leave the hazards on the whole time. I was just worried that somebody was going to cause a wreck because my car was literally sitting at a four-way stop. Okay, so I get my car towed home because I wasn't going to tow it to the shop because if I towed it to the shop, then I would have had to pay shop prices on whatever was wrong with it. And at this point, I thought it was just a radiator hose busted. Well, luckily, I said this to my neighbor, and they said, well, it could have been the thermostat. So that caused your radiator hose to bust. So my plan was find somebody to help me change the thermostat and the radiator hose. And that's what I did yesterday. One of my very good friends, Jenny from the block, my best friend, she helped me put a new thermostat and a radiator hose on my car. She's amazing. Her husband is a mechanic and has taught her a lot. And she's very smart and learns very fast. So shout out to Jenny from the block for helping. When you want a real friend, go to Jenny with the block. Jenny from the block. Jenny is somebody I wish I would have met a long time ago in life. Somebody I really needed growing up. Jenny is a real friend. I only met her like 3 years ago. And I hope she's in my life for the rest of my life. So, shout out to Jenny from the block. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my breakdown story. Sometimes I really wish I knew how to edit. Because then I could edit in a picture of this duckmobile that I was riding around in last week when I went to the bar and got drunk. And some guy who built his four-wheeler to look like a duck gave me a ride around town in it. And I was going up and down the hills like Quack, 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 quack. It was the best. Oh, you guys want to hear some drama? I don't know what is going on, but there's been something in the air with my neighbors lately. I'm going to pour some hot sauce on this too before I fuck this chicken up. So, as I pulled up with my chicken, I noticed my neighbor walking down the street with 2 cups. I was like, the fuck? Well, it seems like he has reported his own wife. I think she said she was going to take his kid or something, so he called the cops. So they got, I guess my new neighbors are to call the cops on each other, kind of drama-filled people. Yay, right? Weird. I don't know. That's why I stay to myself. I'm not a nosy neighbor. I came straight in here and set up for my mukbang. I was hungry. My brother Reggie, my oldest brother, might be stopping by later to pick me up. He was working on my mom's car yesterday when I returned some of her tools. So I kind of stopped and helped him assess the situation. And we found out that her car had a brake line leak in the back end. He ran out of time trying to fix it, so he's got to come back today and fix it. So if he does that, I guess I'll go over there and help him. Maybe he'll buy me some beers. Let's try one of these biscuits. This one over here was falling apart. Let's put some honey butter on it. Honey sauce. Honey butter biscuit. Better get it. Ooh, it's soft. Lady burps. That's a fresh biscuit. Unless they just got a brand new one. I must have just got a brand new cooked one. So good. I was watching my very first mukbang the other day, and I noticed in the comments section that this girl named Lex Bubble that follows me and watches my videos said that she found me on Nikocado Avocado's page, and I was like, what? So I wonder if I'm popping up in like the recommended for Nikocado viewers. I don't even try to tag people. I love chicken reviews. I love chicken reviews. Oh, Adding some ketchup to the sides. Taters. We got chicken taters, biscuits, chicken, cookies. Would you like to break that down in a different way? Sure. Taters, chicken, biscuits, cookies, taters, chicken, biscuits. I'm such a dork. This is what I do with my free time. Eat and be a mess. And watch Netflix. I hope you guys are eating with me. And if you're not eating, I hope this makes you hungry instead of grossed out. I like watching Nick Cotto because he makes me hungry. He talks a lot, but the way he enjoys food reminds me of myself, you know? His biscuits are so good. Got a little cough this morning. Oh no, honey, my mashed potatoes. It's so good. But it's not good. There's no way I'm eating all this, guys. This is great. I'm gonna have something to eat for later, though. Wow. Mm. It doesn't get much better than that. I bought extra food so I'd have something to suffice me for the rest of the day. When really, I really thought I was going to be able to eat all this. Well, there's no way. I mean, the potato pile is like the size of my face. I still have 2 huge pieces of chicken I have to eat. Plenty of meat left on this one. There's just so much to eat here. It's like Thanksgiving. This is a great idea for Thanksgiving. Maybe I'll go to KFC for Thanksgiving. I'll get like a bucket of chicken or something. No, maybe I'll make Thanksgiving dinner for myself. Ugh. Those 2 biscuits really filled me up. You know, bread's a thickener. Let's try one of these cookies. They look good. Let's break it open. Look how gooey it is on the back. Let's show you the insides. It doesn't want to focus. Dessert. Very good. mm. But KFC was on point today. I mean, everything was delicious. The fries, even though they weren't as crispy as I would prefer them to be, they're still delicious. Chicken, juicy, succulent, crispy. Biscuits, beautiful. Cookie, creamy in the inside, crunchy on the outside. Mashed potatoes, extra fucking cheesy, bro. Oh, but I can't eat anymore. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to save the rest of this for later. Believe me, none of this will go to waste because I'm gonna eat every fucking last bite of this. Whew, this is some good food here. Oh man, the chicken was delicious. Mm. Mm. Well, guys, I really outdone myself here. I tried. I couldn't finish this plate. This plate of food's huge. Ugh, I'm actually really full. I'm trying to make room by burping, but it's just not coming up. As it comes up. Shove a few more fries in here. Because these won't be good later. I've always wanted to eat like Matt Stoney. But if I do, then I'll throw up my food. And I'm too poor to throw up right now. So I have to actually enjoy my food, unlike Matt Stoney. I mean, I'm not saying he throws up. I don't know if he does. Nobody discloses that information. I never understand how a guy his size eats as much as he does and is capable of processing it through his body. I would have to puke at some point. And I'm a big bitch. Drink too. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this right here. I'm gonna call it quits. I'm throwing in the towel. Oh, but that was delicious. I'm glad I got some potatoes, chicken, and a cookie to eat for later. Because the biscuits and fries is gone. You guys stay safe. We will eat again.